Hello, hello, hello. And we have a special day today because Kling 3.0 came out, which is one of the biggest models out there for video creation, and we need to add it ASAP as soon as possible. We will do one fast way to do it, and in the next days, we will make a more like an organized way to do it because I want to make like a whole new UX UI for that new model. So yeah, I'm going to do it live here with you. And yeah, I will try to do it as much possible in my screen so it will be clear and so on. I guess I also need to go live on X. I need my phone to go live on X. Okay. I think I will just do it without X today. So here it is. Yeah, okay, that's the obvious thing. Cool. Okay, so let's start. So basically, we have access to Kolbo.AI for that. And now we're going to just do like a plaster solution, okay? We're just going to integrate it natively in the existing Kolbo.AI UX UI. So it's going to be an image to video, text to video, and video to video. So I have already like a skill made in Cloud Code. Let's make sure you can see something wrong here. Yeah, okay. Okay, you can see here, this is Cloud Code, and I have like an agent that already knows how to do it. So now we're going to be really organized about it and do it step by step. Okay, let's start and see what I'm doing now. Now I'm going one by one. So we have image to video pro and image to video standard. Okay, so I'm going to go to image to video standard. And first I'm going to tell them some rules. The name in all of them is always Kling 3.0. Then some will have standard and some will have pro by the model. For credits calculation, you need to make sure we earn at least 50% of the price, meaning if it costs a 1, so we charge 1.5 and so on. I will give you the cost for each model in the descriptions. For now, all models by default always have sound on. Also notice some models have multi-shot true or false option. We already support it in MongoDB. Remember it. Okay, I'm just giving him some rules. So let's start. Kling video version 3 standard image to video. Cool. So this is with Kolbo.AI. Later, when more providers will give it, we will work with them. But basically, so I'm copy that identifier, paste it. Then I go here, copy content, paste it. That's one. Now let's continue. I'm going here to image to video pro, copy the identifier, paste it. Because again, he already knows what he need to do with all of that, okay? Like I don't need to build everything from scratch. We have like a smart system that able to just add it, tag it, and that's it. Cool. So we put that. Now, from what I remember, all of them also support first last frame. So let's tell him. Both of them support also first last frame. And for elements, and elements. Now, you need to take in mind, those models have very unique way to work, but for now, we just tag them also as elements type, even though our element system just work with 4 images. Okay. So I think we'll start with that. Let's give him the price. So that's the Pro one. That's the standard one. Remember, cost is per second of video. For the credits, and we need the avatar. Avatar for the models is, and we have the name of that. Just reference the name of the file. And group is Kling. Cool, I think that's it. Let's start with those two. Later, we will continue with the rest. Let me know if you have any questions. And let's tag him the file service file. It's basically the file AI API service file, and send. Okay, so now what's going on is that basically Claude Code take all of that context I just wrote him, and that's only for 2 models, okay? But I want to make sure he's doing it right, then it will be very easy to do it with the rest. So then we have text to video models, which is kind of easier. And then we have the more complicated one, the video to video one, edit video, and so on. Now, again, this is just a temporary solution because on top of that, we're going to develop a whole new session and UX UI for the Kling. Like, there is going to be a new button here just dedicated to Kling Omni. But that won't be today, but I want to at least give something that my users can already work with. So we're going to start with that. I don't have the fortune of a lot of developers or getting from Kling all the details, but I read very carefully their documentations here. I used the Claude Chrome extension to extract all of the context, so that will help me definitely. It also reminds me that it supports 15 seconds, but let's see. Existing schema, blah, blah, blah. Cool. So basically now we're just reviewing stuff and so on. In the meantime, we can create already the prompt for the next one. So yeah. Now let's continue with the text to video models. And now it will be easier, I think, because we don't need to explain all the context. So we have text to video standards. You know what? Okay. I want to share that link also in my Instagram. I think it's interesting. Let me. Okay. Should those Kling 3.0 models replace 2.6? No, coexist. Should I implement voice ID support in this initial? No, we would do it later on in different way, maybe. For now, just work with the existing logics we have. Okay. Let's see what he wrote. Add Kling, image to video models. Come on. Wow, it's so fucking expensive. Service updates, add handle. Yeah, I can already see a mistake. This one supposed to be different. I just know it. So this is why I always look what he's doing. I can't just go along with it. So let me extract now the correct name. I can search via. I sorry, I can't show you guys the MongoDB. I'm just too scared because it's like more sensitive. The MongoDB is like my database. Okay. The correct. Okay, come on. The correct type name for first last is, and that's the name. Cool. Let's see. Kling, image to video elements. Okay. Aspect ratio fine. Supported durations are fine. Billing per second. Auto generation true. Language. Sababa. Default duration. Kling standard. Cool. And another thing I can let him is all the controllers I have for what actually make the videos. So I can reference video generation, first, last frame, and elements. That's like the parts in the code that actually responsible to make those generation. I just want them to read it, make sure we're like, on the same track and everything is fine. Cool. So he's running on that. I really want to find my phone and upload my story, but I'm doing it live. So sad. Let me find my phone one moment. הקלטתי לך, אחי. Okay. Let's open Instagram. Let's do a story. Okay. I just uploaded a story for people to see that I'm doing it live, and let's continue. Okay, so let's see his final plan. Pro standard, blah, blah, blah. Kling, first slot frame. Good. That's the correct type. Identifiers. Looking good. I think it will work. Let's run it. In the meantime, we can continue with the text to video one. So we basically need to reference again the same elements. So in the text to video, I need to reference how much it costs and the context of the AI, which Fal AI making it very easy to do, by the way. I really love Fal AI. They are a little bit expensive, but they are the best for developers, I think. And now text to video pro. Let's copy the pricing. Again, everything in AI is context. If you know how to give the context, you don't really need to do a lot of manual work. You need to do the manual work once, and then you kind of can just go along. Okay, let's look short type, customize, intelligent. That's actually a good question. Like if I want customize or intelligent, I guess I will go with the default one. Let's read one moment. The API docs. That's not interesting. I don't care about those. Multi-prompt. List of prompts for multi-shot if provided overrides the single prompt and divides. And we have a list here. Let's see the list. Yeah, that's just too much for now. God, I hate the API of them. It's so complicated. Okay, for now he's making the script. Yeah, that will be fine. And then we will do the text to video. Cool. So that's the text to video. Now we can make the video edit because reference still not supported in Kolbo. So the edit video standard is basically Kling.AI. It's basically the same model like this one, Kling.AI. So it just means there will be another selection, which is Kling.AI. That's all it means. So just going to pass that. Pass that. Fail to copy. Okay. And the pricing like that. I think for this one, everything is kind of the same. You have video, images, and elements, and you probably can do up to 4 each one, but let's see. By the way, we are probably going to be very limited with the API, so it's kind of fine that we still don't have it. Probably no one can really use it. They probably have huge overloads. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so that's the standard one. Now let's go to the pro one. Copy content. And that. Okay. So both of those prompts are ready, and that's kind of enough. Let's see how it goes here. Okay. Run all the scripts. Basically finished. So what is a script? Script is like a piece of code that he can use to run and add the model into my database. What that means is now if I will go here to my development server, we will see we already have the new models, which is really cool. Why it doesn't show the YouTube thing? I hope it will show it. Okay, so if now we'll go here to image to video, we probably will already see the models because he's adding them. He actually burned data into our MongoDB. So let's see, Kling. Not yet. Okay, let's see what you want. Okay, it's still running. Yeah, so you see, when he's doing a script and there is a problem with that script and you have errors, it just will fix it, which is really cool. Yeah, so now it's saying the first last generation one is messed up. What? That's not true. That's just not true. I don't know why it's doing it. Okay, so very soon we will already see here the models. Cool. Okay, so for some reason we have some kind of conflict with the type first last generation. So I explain you how it works. In Kolbo.AI, each model have in the database like a type, okay? Image to video, text to video, first last generation, and so on. The reason we have it is that's how it filter models here, okay? When you open that, by the way, you can already see Kling 3.0. Now again, this is in my development server. It's still not in production. And we have multiple productions areas, but yeah, so that's about that. That's cool. Yeah, we also see already Kling in elements, which is interesting. So yeah, let's see. Yes, allow. Okay, good. So now it's going to run the script again, and we will check it. The moment you finish, I can already send the text to video once. Okay, now let's run for the text to video once. And I passed them the context file that I already made for it. Again, what this context file have? The API docs and the identifiers of the model. Everything is kind of automatic, okay? My agent already know how to do everything. Cool, so those are finished. Now I can run that. Okay, and what's really interesting for me is like how the elements one work in the image to video, because that's a little bit confusing. Like if I'm uploading here reference image URLs, what does it even mean? Additional reference images from different angles. What does it mean? I don't understand. Why would you do that? Elements, character or objects to include in the video. Each example can either be image set, reference and prompt as element 1, element 2. That's so confusing. I don't understand how many images I can upload. Yeah. I don't think I could understand it from here. I would need to play around with Kling maybe. But for that's for a different day. For now, we just want to give the users the ability to work with the model, right? Like it's still not the full capability, but I anyway need to do it. I know most of my users, mostly what they want is first last frame with Kling 03, and that's what we're going to give him. Okay, now it's creating the text to video ones. Let's see if they didn't open it for just regular users, huh? Yeah, that's fine. Like if I will go here to generate, I have native audio. I can upload start and end frame, and that's it. That's why it's so confusing. And in Omni, I can upload images. Wow, it's so much weird. Okay, let's say I'm upload 3 images. And it will just make me, okay, got it. Here it is. Elements, image to video, transformation, which you must upload a video, and whatever that thing is. Okay, so I think it's kind of elements. Got it. Grumpy. That's like that's like a visual DNA. And what? You can add as many as you want? I don't understand. That's fucked up. No way it will work. Look, that must be a bug. But yeah, fine. Okay, I think I get it. But now when I think about it, it means that Kling elements are supposed to be here maybe. Reference video to video. That's not what we want. We want reference image to video. I think that's what it is. Yeah. So we're putting a prompt, we're putting start image URL. But you have a start image, got it. And in video to video, it's also not that. Okay, no, it's not relevant. Got it. Okay, come on, let's see. Yeah, okay, he finished. So I think now it's a good time to actually test it. So we can go here to single image, choose here Kling 3.0 standard. You can see the duration allow me to select and choose from library. We will do multi-shot as well. Let's do 15 because we actually don't want it to be too long. Let's do 7. We'll see how it goes. I'm on a different account. Let me log in on my development account. If anyone have any questions, let me know. I will feel I'm completely fine to answer anything. Okay. We came back. Now we're in a developer account. Image to video. And we already have the model inside. So I just Kling 3.0 standard. Let's choose some kind of image. What is that? Why it happened? Wait, let me see that everything is fine. Okay. All right, so basically now I'm just turning off the server and running it again. Yeah, I guess I needed to do it because I see it's taking slow. In the meantime, I'm still trying to understand how those elements thing works. So again, like let's say I want to upload multiple images. I guess I can't. It's always a start image URL. It means those models doesn't really, it's not elements model. It's just not elements. Why it is so much confusing? Kling O3. Let's see. Video to video, image to video. Here, reference to video. Okay. But also here we have a start image. Okay, I can turn it off. And then I can have elements. So here I can have one image, for example. Let's see. Frontal image URL, reference image URL. What the fuck it means? Frontal image URL. Main view. Yeah, I think I definitely need to remove it. What I already did. So I will go to my models, to Kling O3. Just remove the elements one. Okay. Done. This is still running. Basically, I can actually give him already the prompt for the video editing one. So let's just give him. Okay, we have one for the video editing. Video to video. Let's paste it. And here it's Kling.AI. Type. Okay, and now we will add for us the Kling.AI video to video one. So let's see at least now that the library works properly. No, not yet. Why it happens? What am I missing? Okay. So let's add this dog right here. Make a story for this dog running in the street and looking for his owners. 5 shots. And I will activate here the multi-shot. I will do it 9:16. And we need actually to stop him here. Wow, it will be so much expensive model. Okay, and generate. So let's see. Basically, it's almost always not work on the first try, but maybe it will work. So I can actually see here the request. Okay. And yeah, that's already a problem that it moved it from 7 to 5. That's problem. Remove those hard codings. But it looks like it works. Let's go now here to image to video standard request. Not yet. Maybe it was pro. No. I think it was actually a different one. I think Kolbo.AI have some problems in their own thing. Maybe they just changed it. I don't know. What the fuck? I think they just changed it because it does work. Standard image to video. Yeah, they definitely just changed it. It's fine. We'll still see the video, I guess. Ah, okay, I get it now. This is Kling 03, and before that they had Kling version 3. That's so confusing. Yeah, here it is. What the fuck is the difference? Why to do it? Yeah, so I think now we'll see it. Yeah, and here is the video of our robot, and it's probably here in Kolbo. Yeah. And it actually works. He did multi-shot for the dog. Okay, so look like Kling works, which is fucking awesome. Now I'm confused about Kolbo.AI thing. Like we have here this one, and yeah, for now we can run with it. So Kling 3.0 standard works. Let's now go. Let's make sure it deduct the credits properly. Yeah, 190. That's also weird. What? So why it did like How much it cost? 38. And the video was because he did it 5 seconds. Yeah. That's like one of the problems there. Cool. Okay. So yeah, look like it already works. So we basically can already launch it. But we will now make sure also text to video, image to video pro, that all of them work properly, and then we will launch it. So what's cool, we already have the multi-shot thing, which is great. We have negative prompt. So the users could already use it, which is cool. But it's so fucking expensive, you know? I mean, a 15 seconds multi-shot generation costs so much money. 750 credits, that's so much. But I guess they are the best. Why wouldn't they do it? Yeah, makes sense. Here it is. For 5 second video, you're paying $2 here. What can we do? The audio does take a lot, but I think everyone will want audio. We might make a toggle off. It's just so much complicated to integrate that it also will reflect the credits. Maybe we can make different video models or something. I don't know. Okay. But I'm happy. It looks like everything working fine. Okay, let's give him the prompt of the video editing. In the meantime, we can make the announcement inside our website. So basically what that means, let me show you. Okay. I can basically go here and say we have Kling version 3 launch. For now, it's the basic integration in the image to video, text to video, and video to video tools. But we're working on new dedicated space for all the Kling Omni models. We need to update the announcements to indicate it and be first in line before the motion graphics. Put video placeholder. Later I will give you the actual video to put. And also add new card in the dashboard for the new model. I need to give them context. The features to highlight for now, it's better model and it support up to 15 seconds and multi-shots generation out of one single prompt. Okay, so now we're making that. In the meantime, the backend making the video to video model integration. By the way, Claude also putting out new models. And okay, we finished here in the backend. That's great. So I can clear here. That's actually, I think we have some problems. Kill all port 5050 operations. Okay, yes. We might want to decrease all the prices. Let's do it. So we don't have elements model, so adjust the scripts and let's adjust the prices, make us earn 25% instead of 50%. Port now is free. Okay, now I can run my backend. So as you can see, everything just goes really fast. You don't need to waste time on checking a lot of stuff. I usually do a lot of stuff and I'm checking on the go when stuff already works. Because I saw already the model is working, I'm like quite what's the word for it? Like relaxed about it. But you can never know. And you know what? Maybe let's do integrate a system for the audio generations. Um I'm thinking. No, for now, no. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so now he's editing the script and then he's going to update again all the models. So again, we made a script that defined the names, he adding it to MongoDB, my database, with all the names, the avatars, and so on. We also made already here in the dashboard page. Yeah, you see, we already have announcement for Kling. I just need to integrate here a video. And we have here in the dashboard as well. So we will need to make a cool video for it. But this is how we make like announcement really fast. On top of that, honestly, I can already make an email. So I have here already a Cloud Code session and I can say we need to make a new announcement email about the fact we have Kling 3.0 available in Kolbo.AI, multi-shot generations, audio generations, up to 15 seconds output, and so on. Know that we're working on dedicated space and tools to work with the element system of the models. Do online search as well to get more context about what I'm talking about. So this is an agent that know how to make for me marketing emails. Soon I will show you how we send emails to everyone on one go. And yeah, this is basically finished. Cool. Let's see. Okay, come on, come on. It's crazy we're doing it in like 30 minutes, you know? Okay, so now we are in the fun part. We just need to create some cool shit. So we did the script, he updated everything. We can now refresh and basically check. So now we're going to refresh. And the beauty of it, I can send everything in the same time. And I could see if everything is working as it's supposed to. Cool. So it's so funny. He jumped me here, this thing. Okay. So let's go here to image to video. Kling 03. Kling 03 Pro. 7 seconds. Choose from library. I want something cool, honestly. What can she do? I have some cool shots here. Yeah, these ones. Cool. Yeah, I like it. Let's see. Make 4 shots of this supermodel posing to camera. We see close up as the first frame, like the image reference, and then we see medium shot of her body wearing that coat, then a full body shot in this studio, and then another close up from the profile, and she looked to camera. Handheld camera shake, and basically I see a problem. I see it didn't do the models to support our presets. Okay, so that's basically a dynamic value that we have in our database. So I'm going to say the models should be support presets in the image to video and text to video type models. And I mean, I can send it, but yeah, I prefer to do it properly. I can make the prompt better. Let's open the help widget, drag it down. Make me detailed JSON 7 seconds multi-shot prompt for this. Okay, so it's updating the script. Yeah, when I update something in the backend, nothing like really works, so need to be careful with that. And okay, so now it's updating the models. Why it takes so long? Yeah, and let's delete all those tabs. They're killing my computer. Cool. Okay, we got it. So let's continue. Yeah, so we have that. Let's make the prompt even better. Make JSON prompt image to video photos 4 shots for 7 seconds video. And I will just copy that, send it, put the image, and hopefully it will give me good prompt. I'm going to keep it as 1 by 1 because I also want to test the aspect ratio thing. And yeah, the multi-shot will stay. Here we can choose 7. Come on. Okay. Cool. So let's send this really extreme complicated prompt and it's not letting me. Yeah, that makes sense. Fuck. What can we do? What can we do? What, I will change it now? I don't want to change it. Let's open it up. Please make sure the prompt length in minimized image to video and minimized text to video is up to 5,000 characters. Yeah, we're going to make it ability to be longer. In the meantime, I guess we can also check the text to video one and the video to video one. Okay, so in text to video, we can choose here Kling, standard, and Kling 3 Pro. We'll do here 16:9. We'll do here by purpose 8 seconds. And honestly, we can send the same prompt, but no, let's do now make me text to video prompt of a war scene in World War II. JSON prompt, 4 shots, develop story. Also mention dialogue there with quotes for the words the actors saying. Give highly detailed prompt. Okay, and yeah, now we opened here the limitation. You see it now, it's 5,000, so I can actually pass the full prompt, and now I will have it. So that's great. 7 seconds. Yeah, let's generate, and we'll see. So now we're generating 2 videos, right? We're generating with Kling 3.0 standard and Kling 3.0 Pro. Soon it will go to the session view. When you're doing multimodal, it's preparing everything, and yeah, now we see it. So that's one thing. Second thing is the text to video one. So he gave us here a very detailed JSON prompt, also with some dialogues and some. So I can just send it. Let's see. Total duration 16 seconds. Make it as 9 seconds scene total. Because again, I want to test the specific duration, see that nothing going to block it or mess it up. And I will do it 16:9. In the meantime, those are generating. So that's like the final test. If that all works, we can just push it. Okay. Let's see it. So 9 seconds, 2.7. Cool. I think it did what I want. And we can even add here camera handle shake vibe. You know what? Let's remove it and generate. Yeah. So now we have two text to video generations that going to go up. And I guess we can already check also the Kling 03 standard here. That's weird. Why I can't scroll? Ah, okay. I think my computer going to die in a moment. Yeah, so for the edit one, I don't know even what to do with it. Yeah, I see here file have an example, although I want my own example. Maybe I will take one of the generated videos and we edit with that. We'll see. Yeah, I know what I will do. I will make a sunglasses and then I will add it to the model. That would be fine. Something messed up here with the scrolling. Okay, it finished. Let's see. So that's Kling 3.0 standard. Well, he almost listened. He did it as a one shot, but I mean, I can work with that. Crazy. Soon we will see the one here. Why I can't scroll? What the fuck is going on here? Okay, I'm trying to fix that. In the meantime, let's see if some of them finished. I mean, it's pretty solid, pretty good. Yeah, I kind of got here 3 shots. That's cool. I mean, if you're creative, you can save a lot of money with that model. Okay, here the Kling 3.0 going to finish. Yeah, so that's the pro one. Let's see. I don't see much difference, but what's important is that it's working. Come on, what will the text to video one? By the way, we can now check the credits, make sure that it's actually deducting the credits properly. So yeah, Kling Pro, Kling Standard, those models extremely expensive. And come on, what about the text to video? I wanted to finish already. In the meantime, we try to fix here a bug that it doesn't let me scroll for some reason. I don't know even if it's a bug or just my computer freezing. But yeah, here now it's fine. So let's choose here Kling 03 standard. So yeah, now we won't have here any video. And honestly, I can already start. I can choose from library here. One of the videos, I guess. Video is 7 seconds, but maximum allowed is 4 seconds. What? Oh yeah, that's a problem. So let's see. Kling, edit video. My God, how can I even understand here? Hmm. 3 to 10. Okay. So what I need to do is to go to my front end project and tell them Kling O3 support same constant situations like Kling O1. Please fix it. Okay. We have also first last frame to test. Actually, we can test it already. So let's go here to first. We'll choose. Let's do this one and this one. And we'll do even auto prompt. Okay, I try to do here something creative. Also here I will choose 7 seconds and 9 by 16 and generate. And let's see if it will work. What about this text to video? It just doesn't work for now. Here, let's see if now it will work. Yeah, it worked. Add to the model those sunglasses. Let's bring sunglasses image just to check. Actually, I prefer to just make the sunglasses, probably more safe. So we basically running here now first last frame generation to test it as well with both of them. I'm spending like tons of money even on those tests. It's crazy how much this model is expensive, you know? And in the meantime, I want to make sunglasses so I can attach it to this model. So let's just write sunglasses on white background. They have blue stylish color and big lenses for female. I don't know, something like that. Let's do that image, my favorite model, and generate. Oh, come on. I really hope it won't get failed. Okay, something finished. It's the images. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So I passed it here. Female model in. Okay, and yeah, generate. Let's see if it works. Okay, here it is. Yeah, and for now we can actually also check if it's actually working. So here in edit video, I can go to standard and I don't see it, meaning it doesn't actually works. I think. Okay, let's go to the other one. Kling v3 standard. Okay, so this one is running, this one is running, and the first last frame ones are running, so that's good. That's really good. I see the pro one doesn't run, which is weird. How is it even possible? Yeah, so the first last frame here finished. It doesn't really listen too much. But yeah, okay. At least it did something. Let's see, maybe the pro one doesn't even support it? Pro image to video, playground, and image URL. So I don't know why it didn't work, but yeah, soon we will test it. Can cancel this one. The text to the video ones definitely works, and this one I don't even see it. So that's weird also. I mean, it can be something else. So what is it thinking about? Let's see what's going on in the backend. In queue. Ah, okay, got it. So maybe it just was in queue. Ah, also the text to video. I'm in the line. You understand? It doesn't even let me start generating yet. Got it. That's annoying. It didn't even start. That's crazy. So the text to video really have a lot of loads right now. I don't even know what's going on with the video editing, but it's probably the same thing. So, I mean, it's fine. Maybe I will just push it anyway. So yeah, we made already the email. We can see it here. Let's see. Cool. So now if we search in this folder, yeah, here it is. And let's see the email Claude created us. There it is. So we need to create an image for that. I think I'm just going to use one of the native ones. Kling 3 image. My God, it's all so much ugly. Let's just create an image. Make image announcing Kling 3.3 is now on Kolbo.AI. And now we will put the logos. And we need the Kling icon. Okay, and 16 by 9, generate. So we're basically just making a poster image to put in the email. We're doing it, of course, with Kolbo.AI. It's faster than making actually Photoshop or something, at least for me. Let's see what's going on here in the API. Yeah, it's still in queue. I don't think it's going to let me generate soon. That's fine. Probably this one also in queue. Standard text to video, yeah. That's the first last frame. That was okay. That's the pro one. And we need the edit video standard, which again didn't even started yet. Not sure why. Let's try it again. Generate, and I want to see what's going on now in the API. So now I can see here in the logs what's going on, and I will try to understand if it's also stuck in queue. Video to video returning. Yeah, that's also in queue. It won't work. That's fine. It always happens when they launch models, and after 1 day or two, it gets fine. What's that? Yeah, generations failed. Obviously, it just didn't let them. What I really hate about those stuff that in Fall AI it's actually going to charge me, but what can we do? Why image to video first last frame I think now started because it also was stuck on queue, and it means also the video to video going to start at some point and take my money, but that's fine. At least I know it works, right? So this is the image of Nano Banana, which again I remind you we're making for the email that we're going to publish tomorrow. Wow. So cool. So I can just copy that image address, go here to the email one, and say, please integrate that as the image, pass that, and that's it. It's so much easy today to make graphics. Like, it's so much easy. It's amazing. That one was better, by the way, but here he wrote V for some reason. So I can't really use it. So yeah, now if I will refresh that email, I will see that image, and that's great. So basically that's all I need, and I can also use that image in the announcement. So let's copy that again, and I will now go. איך אתה מוציא את השם של התמונה כדי... I'm writing in the prompt area. Okay, someone asked a question in the live, so I answered. Okay, I'm going now to the front-end project, and I'm going to update the announcement one. So let's go, I think it's here. Nope. Okay. Update the announcement pop-up. First, please make it always as carousel. Currently, we have 2. The motion graphics and the Kling one. And please update the Kling one with that image. Okay, so that's the announcement pop-up. Let's see here what's going on. So yeah, everything kind of failed because right now they won't let us. Oh, here it's failed also because of content policy? What the fuck? That's so weird. But we can see the first last frame of the Pro one. Let's see. Yeah, I guess he listened. Amazing. And here he failed. Only 0 images provided. Okay. So he didn't get my images. Let's see. Input. Oh, Falalai updated it. Auto sunglasses. Yeah, it didn't get the image for some reason. So we're going to test it as well now. So we have here an error, like he didn't send in the request the images. So I'm going to just try to fix it now in the front end. And in the same time, I'm going to test again our text to video generations. What was the total duration? 9. and generate. Which that's also like, yeah, that's kind of a mistake because it's just going to fail anyway. But let's see. Yeah, I think I kind of need to make new videos for the presets. Okay, I see here some problems in the email. We must make sure it's clear not all the features of the new Kling model is supported yet. We're working hard to make all of them available. Currently, what is available is image to video, first last frame, single image, text to video. All of those modes are support multi-shot, and video to video editing as well, with up to 5 images and 1 video reference. Okay, so that's like a disclaimer to do in the email. Here I see it tried it, so let's load again and try. Those ones are kind of fine, so I'm okay with that. I would love to have it a little bit better. Like let's try just a more simple prompt, like what I sent in the beginning. I see you also didn't listen to the aspect ratio actually. Let's try here one by one. Generate. What about the text to video? Did it finished? Oh, AI themselves like doesn't work anymore. It always happen. Someone asked me how I'm tagging images. For some reason, YouTube don't let me to paste it. So basically, if you write something and then you're doing this thing, it will let you to just reference it. So that's really cool. Okay, he still put me on queue and everything, but maybe the standard one will work fast. Let's see. Wow, everything in queue. It's so annoying. Yeah, it just don't let me. Let's see what's going on in the Discord of AI. No one really talking about that.
Tell me where she is. You're too late, detective. Don't play games with me! Oh, this isn't a game. This is a funeral. Get down!
Wow. I so much want to try it already, but it doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Everyone now testing it, so nothing works, you see? So annoying. It's fine. Let's see the email we made. Yeah, okay. Look, I think I will put the updates, but only tomorrow I will make the launch. In the meantime, I can actually go here to go high level, which I have the way to send the email to everyone at the same moment. So I will do new campaign. And let's go to the folder. That's that. And I basically just copy the HTML that Claude made me. And I just passed it. So I got it here. Now I do send and schedule. We're going to Claude again. It was here. So he's saying we have a Kling info file. So let's search it. Cool. So Kling 3.0. It's now. Where is the fucking titles? Yeah, there it is. Unique value, batch, new model. Maybe you wrote it here. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so basically in one click, I can send it to all my users, and I can even add tags to which one of them opened the campaign, and then I can tag them as active email subscriber. And yeah, I think from here we can just schedule it. Let's see how I do it. Schedule. So yeah, let's do it tomorrow at 9 a.m. And yeah, schedule. So that's that. And yeah, I don't think we will have hope here to finish it live, but I still will push the updates anyway. So wait, let me see. One thing I can see. Yeah, I didn't even get it. Kling. And I need to update the video of Kling. So I guess let's use this one. That's kind of shitty one to do. Ah, no, okay. Let's just do it with an image. Actually, what will happen if I will try to animate it? I'm curious, like slow dolly out, motion graphic elements are static, but camera moves, subtle glow. Yeah, I'm really curious what it will do. So sad I can't test it. I don't understand what everyone else experienced it okay. How no one complain about it in Fall AI Discord? Okay, cool. Copy. Yeah, so basically what I want to do before I push it is at least have here in the dashboard a video about it. By the way, where does it take the users? Text to video. So make it taking the users to image to video page and with that model. So basically we want when the user press on it to get taken to the correct model, right? But yeah, I think you guys saw how easy it is for me as a developer, solo developer, to integrate new model when it come out. And that was like a complicated one. When it's just a regular model, it's quite easy. So yeah, I think you could learn from it a lot. I think we will finish the live. Let's just see. Yeah, now you can see we have here this image. And maybe if I will refresh, we will see the announcement one as well. Let's see. Do, 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 do. So if I will press on it, it should take me to image to video and select the Kling model, and it didn't. Again, those fail too. That's like Kolbo.AI failure. Like he's doing a timeout and it's good. It's the correct behavior because as you can see, file AI just doesn't work right now. And it's fine. It always happens at those moments. Okay, and come on. We have a new guy here. That's exciting. It's always exciting, right? My computer barely moves. Oh, okay, it does works. Okay, so we can push the updates. And basically in few minutes, it will be live in the app. So I can launch it. And last thing is to update all the models in all our versions of the code. So please update our collections to all the Kolbo.AI clusters of MongoDB using our existing sync script, including the new models and so on. So basically I have a script that on one go, it just updates the two white labels, the staging server, the production server, all together with all the details we need to make it all work. Because basically it's using the models dynamically from the database. I wish I could have shown you better what I mean, but I can't because I'm concerned about security and privacy of my users. So I will never show you the MongoDB one, the database, but yeah, it is what it is. So now I just told my Cloud Code to run it. I'm not even sure what is the name of that script. I just know that he can always find it. Yeah, and basically that's it. By the way, we also pushed today the plugin update and the desktop app update. It's already live also in the websites and so on. So that's pretty cool as well. Yeah. So check it out as well. It's really fun. Okay, yeah, now I see found 305. Dry run shows 6 new cleans and 36 updates. Let me run the actual updates. Yeah, hopefully everything is okay. And that means when that run, that the moment I will go here to the production app, it will already have those new models. It's crazy that it's still running. So if we'll go here to image to video, yeah, we already see the Kling 3.0. So that's great, and it works, and it's cool. And yeah, basically that's it, guys. We did it. Thank you so much.